meet you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gladys Josephira Anabel Ginting. I am a student of 40 Junior High School, Surabaya. First of all, we should thank God for the blessing He gave us. He is so merciful that we can meet together in this event, speech contest. I also thank all the members of the committee of this contest for they have planned and organized this contest very well. May God bless you. Thank also for the technology that supports this event and enables us to meet together in the network. Now, I want to deliver a speech about can online education replace the traditional one. As we know, coronavirus has spread to Indonesia since March 2020. Because the virus is very dangerous and there is no vaccine yet, our government makes regulations so that the virus doesn't spread more. One of the regulations is traditional education is replaced by online education via Zoom, WhatsApp, Google Meet, Google Teams, etc. I saw many disadvantages of learning independently at home. First, my parents have to work hard to earn for a living. They don't have enough time to guide me and my sisters. Besides, frankly speaking, they don't smart enough to master all the subjects we learn at home. Second, sometimes the weather is not good enough to support learning at home. I always experience bad signal, the bad network. Third, my house is not big enough to support learning at home. I have to share the limited space with my two sisters. Fourth, very often, I was intruded by the yells of the traders selling their goods, not to mention the coming of uninvited guests. And what is the advantage? I don't see any. That's why I always long for the learning in the classroom face to face with my teacher. I can also discuss a subject with my classmate without being fear of lack of quota, bad signal, etc. I can also argue with my teacher about a subject we dispute and then I get a clear answer. What else the stakeholders should know? We teenagers have a basic need, that is to play. Playing creates happiness, happiness creates immunity. Learning without playing is boring. Boring is as dangerous as coronavirus. It can lower our immunity. We need friends to play with, and school is a good place to meet friends. Meeting with friends is a priceless occasion. We can exchange ideas, exchange knowledge, and develop our personality. My friends, wherever you are now, let's help our government to overcome the spreading of coronavirus by obeying health protocol, using masks, keep distance, and washing hands. Then we can learn together in the classroom again as we used to. We can learn together, share knowledge, share experience, and of course, play together. So, traditional education is the best learning, although the technology is getting modern. But online education is still needed in some cases that make the teacher and the student cannot meet directly, such as natural disasters, demonstration, etc. Before I close my speech, I would like to present a poetry in bahasa Indonesia. Dayung perahu sampai ke muara, di atas atap hingga burung terkukur. Walaupun nanti aku tidak jadi juara, aku tetap mengucap syukur. In English, row the boat till the estuary. On the roof, a turtle dove is fishing. Even I won't be a winner in this contest, I Still thank to God. That's enough for my speech. I apologize if there are wrong words. Thank you for your kind attention.